Hi everyone, welcome back to CSS in under 5 minutes. I'm Andrew, and today we're delving into frequency and resolution units in CSS. While frequency units like hertz and kilohertz are part of CSS specifications for aural styles, they aren't widely supported in standard web development. Instead, we'll focus more on resolution units, such as DPI, dpcm, dppx, and x, which are essential for creating responsive, high-quality designs. We'll explore how to use them with media queries and discuss responsive design techniques, so let's get started. So first, let me quick touch on frequency units, hertz and kilohertz. These units are intended for aural style sheets, which enhance speech-based interfaces. However, in practice, most modern browsers do not support these units for visual styling. It is my company's hope, Authentic Dynamics, that one day pretty soon, especially with the GPRC in Europe, I believe that's what it's called, mandating a whole bunch of accessibility ARIA-related items, that this will become a standard and a lot more popular. Now let's focus on screen resolution units, which are highly relevant for responsive and high-density displays. These units help you tailor your designs to different screen resolutions, ensuring your content looks crisp and well-proportioned across different devices. Common resolution units are DPI, which is dots per inch, dpcm, which is dots per centimeter, dppx, which is dots per pixel ratio. 1 dppx equals about 90 or equals exactly 96 dpi. And then X, which is device pixel ratio notation, commonly used in image set. So in our first example over here, let me widen this up a little bit. So we have dppx, which stands for dots per pixel ratio. We've used that right here. It's useful for targeting high density displays like retina screens. In this example, the resolution demo, which is this class right here, changes its background to a light green on devices with a resolution of at least 2 dppx or at least 192 dpi. This ensures that high density screens display a more polished and crisp design. You can see that my device currently is not of 2 dppx, so we'll change this just so I can demonstrate how it works. We lower that to a threshold of 0, we'll see that that background changes. Let's move on to the next example. Alternatively, you can use DPI to target specific screen resolutions. Here, DPI demo, that's this class right here, gets a solid green border on screens with a resolution of at least 192 dpi. This technique is useful for ensuring that images and other elements look sharp on high density displays. Again, my device, not of this threshold, so we'll just lower the threshold so you can kind of see the example that border fills in. Using resolution-based media queries, you can apply different styles based on the device's pixel density. This is especially useful for serving high-resolution images or adjusting layout elements for retina displays and other similar high-density screens. In this example, the image container div initially displays a 300 by 200 placeholder image on the screen. On high-density screens with at least 2 dppx or 192 dpi, it automatically loads a higher resolution 600 by 400 image, ensuring that the images look sharp and clear. Now, obviously, again, my device, not of this standard, so we'll just lower these thresholds so you can view the change in the picture. Resolution units are just one part of responsive design. Combining them with other responsive techniques like viewport-based units and flexible layouts can create highly adaptable web pages. So in this example right here, let me lower this a little bit, lower this a little bit so we can see everything. Bada bing. Here, the responsive text div adjusts its font size on screens narrower than 600 pixels and changes background color to plum when both the screen width is below 600 pixels and the resolution is high, 192 dpi or 2 dppx. This combination ensures readability and visual appeal across different devices. So I'll change this size right here. You see how the text itself over here gets a little bit larger, and also we'll drop down this dppi to 0 so that our background changes as well. There we go. All right, to recap, while frequency units like hertz and kilohertz are part of the CSS specifications for aural styles, they aren't supported in modern browsers and thus aren't practical for current standard web development. On the other hand, resolution units such as DPI, dppx, and X are crucial for creating responsive designs that look great on high-density screens. By using resolution-based media queries alongside other responsive techniques, you can ensure your web pages are both visually appealing and functional across a wide range of devices. And the next episode, we'll dive into the box model, exploring how margin, borders, padding all work together. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon below, and you'll never miss a quick CSS tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.